Menteri Rangba Gejala Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma haka arpusan trik ujemang arhajar arpuar. Ulaong boleh keren bad Menteri Rangba Gejala Assam Himanta Sarma badi ban pencistom ki pulit Assam ke belak takti ki padba kam tam ki long kemie haka senong Malangkona. Nalor kani ulaong ba Himanta Sarma ula keren ki bor penyak distrik bad ki bor pulit ba kum kene jingja kan yai jashu. Konrad Kongkal Sangma uloong bag sarkar Assam kelbatha iki bor berekimi ban pencistom iki pulit ke belak takti iki briew hagasnong Malangkona.
Yeah, we have asked our police to investigate on this issue, and last evening itself, I had a discussion with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, and he has assured me that necessary instructions will be given to the SP and the police of the district to ensure that these kind of situations do not happen again, and we need to make sure that whatever the situation may be, we need to handle it with care, and we need to show restraint. And he was also concerned about this issue, and he has assured me that he will get the necessary actions done in terms of informing them that these kind of incidents should not happen in the future, and the police will be asked and informed and instructed to maintain restraint, especially keeping in mind that discussions regarding the border issue are still on. So therefore, to avoid any kind of confusion and any aggravation of situation, these kind of acts should be avoided.
Ha kawai pat kaliang Konrad Kongkal Sangma ule thu baga kenhun toket kebalat luoj hapo kejing kemi jong justice belasong thaj URN Mishra kebalat toket alor ki kenrum kenram HKM EECL kala ajing mut bade bandon chairman kam managing director CMD ne CEO Bapura ban penyat bet iki kam kejam jong ke MEECL. Ule thu ba ke MEECL kadang bishar beniak bahai kejing lap bad kejing ajing mut ka kenhun toket. Komisi Benta ban Pynthikna ban peniat bet ikur kompentre kam bathamai ya ke MEECL. Bad shim lalap bandon kanu kejing bakla ha ka bede kejing thiet gitiar gitar. Nalor kani uloong ba empat dio ban pule benia aka kaipot kabala IT do justice T Vipay. Ubala toket nalor kejing syasiat unong yalam barem ka HNLC uba cherish the field thankyo. Ha ka khalai trik unailar arhajar arpuwe. Bat kumta ya kena kai pot la IT syakatanat political bahkan kemi benia aswa.
No, we have not been able to. Yeah, it's a very lengthy report, a very detailed report is coming. So therefore, the Home Department is going through it. Political department is going through it. So therefore, once we go through it, and then we'll take it forward. And the findings basically are on the line that there needs to be the procurement policies that were there are very, very obsolete, very, very old. And therefore, there needs to be a process in which this needs to be reviewed and new systems have to come up. It also mentioned about the fact that even from an administrative point of view, there needs to be more focused and more full-time leadership there. And therefore, they have submitted that there should be a full-time MD or a full-time CEO that should take forward. And the departments are examining all those aspects. And a number of 3-4 other things were there. But in terms of other aspects of procurement and all, they have not found any wrongs in any of them.
Ha kabede bagajing sedang keseng BJP ban pensapriang iki kubor persya ek sarkar MDA lengba ke social media. Nakaliang Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong baginong yalam ki bahakli jong ke BJP ki deban pha ek kerwo ke basai bakim tresho ban kersan ya ke sarkar jela.
No, as I said that if the coalition partners feel that, then let the high command of the BJP send the message that they don't support the government. So as long as the leadership of the BJP does not write, there will be people talking. There could be so many members talking, people who are not even part of the governance process in any way. So those are there, but I don't think I need to comment or react on comments made by these individuals.